Are you looking for the best ergonomic keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best ergonomic keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Leobog Alice A75 Mechanical Keyboard. Designed with unique Alice layout on 65% keyboard, this A75 Alice layout keyboard can offer ultimate comfort via its split layout, which follow the natural laying position of hands and form a symmetrical curve, effectively reduce discomfort to wrist and release tension in shoulders, neck and arms. Combine 83-key Alice layout, anodized metal rotary knob, cute cat theme mile keycaps, double-layer magnetic stand and detachable USB cable, magnetic suction tripod, hidden independent storage receiver. The joystick corresponds to the up, down, left, and right direction keys, and pressing in the middle is the enter key function. This A75 mechanical keyboard can match your any setup. Number 2. Mofii Ergonomic Keyboard. The wireless ergonomic keyboard features with curved and split keyframe design, which helps to position your wrist and forearm in a more natural, relaxed posture. Scooped keys perfectly match the shape of your fingertips, offering quick response with every keystroke. Premium comfort for all-day typing. Curved palm rest with soft memory foam layer offers typing comfort with more wrist support, less wrist bending compared to standard keyboard without palm rest. Adjustable tilt design positions the keyboard at a perfect angle to keep your wrist relaxed and comfortable whether seated or standing.